Components of a habitat. A habitat, whether terrestrial or aquatic, consists of two main components, which interact with each other. These components are called the biotic components and the abiotic components. All living organisms, including plants and animals, come under the biotic or living components. The non-living or abiotic components include air, water, soil, sunlight, temperature, etc. These components affect the living organisms found in the area. Both biotic and abiotic constitute the natural environment. Human beings are also a part of the environment. Habitat and adaptation. The organisms that are found in one type of habitat cannot survive in the other habitats. You can take example of fish. Imagine what will happen if you keep a fish out of water. It will not survive, as it has developed features which help it live only inside water. The presence of specific features or certain habits which help an organism to survive in a particular habitat or environment is called adaptation. Adaptation involves a combination of features such as shape, size, color, structure, and behavior. For example, the gills of a fish is an adaptation that helps it to survive in water.